Hey fam, what is up? Welcome to KBB Fitness. So today we have Miss Amulya Sharma with us on KBB Talks. She's an inspirational yoga practitioner and I can say a yoga teacher also. So how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So where are you from?
I'm basically from Bihar, but I stay in Secunderabad for my education.
Okay. And tell us uh, what is the concept of yoga? Like where it get started?
So it has been started since really early, like since ancient time. And it is something which calms your mind, which makes you a fitter person, as well as it makes you get that sustainability in if you want.
Okay. So, is yoga a science or an art, or it is a combination of both?
Yoga is basically a form of art. Like it's a basically maybe a art of spirituality. Like it's totally a form of spiritual thing. Like you have to give it wholeheartedly. Like it requires full concentration and dedication basically, and slowly like it happens. Like slowly you build your concentration into yoga. Like when you started it really start with very small. Like just take an example of meditation also. When you started doing, like when you are doing meditation, basically you are thinking 100 things in your mind, but slowly you are getting that concentration. So basically yoga is all about concentration, like how you practice it, how patiently you are going with it. It totally comes practice and persistency. So yoga is all about.
So, is yoga come into the sector of fitness, or only for mobility and flexibility of the muscles?
Yeah. So there is a misconception to many people, like yoga is only for a flexible body. If you wanted a flexible body, and many people like, I don't want a flexible body, so why do I do yoga? Like it's a waste of time. But no, it's for every single body, like fat, thin, and every single age. Like everyone can do yoga from a 5-year child to 100-year people. Everyone can do yoga, so it's not something like you don't want to. After completing your workout and you feel that soreness, you feel that like, oh god, the workout was really tough today. But after you do yoga, you feel active, you feel fresh, you feel energetic. So yoga is all about that. You are being energetic, having calm inside, and you are achieving different poses every single day. So yoga is basically, it's a never ending process. It's like it's always a work in progress. Like you always inventing some or the other new thing. Like it's not the same every day. Like it's every day there is a new beginning, new start, and just give your time to yoga.
Okay. Uh, you tell that this is for 5-year children also. So
Yeah.
how yoga can help the children?
Yoga, see, nowadays children are facing lot of stress issue, anxiety because of this pandemic situation is like that. They are sitting inside their gadgets and they are like totally into that phase. Like their routine is totally destroyed. Like they are getting up 10 o'clock, sleeping at 2 o'clock. Like it's totally destroyed. So basically, the children, the small children, they can basically start from the meditation, like the normal meditation through which they can help. It can help through their concentration, and they can easily like work hard and basically improve in their studies and academics performance. And slowly they can start doing the basic stretchings and all. Like it's very easy, very easy.
So, yoga help in the growth of the muscles also?
Yeah, it helps. It truly helps in the growth of muscles, or if you want to reduce your muscle, it helps with everything. If you have hair fall issue, if you have face problems, have injuries, you have some health problems, like if you are not feeling good from inside, it's for everything.
Okay. So, uh, can yoga help one to recover from the injury he's suffering from last so many years?
Yeah, it does. You must have heard about Malaika. She started because she was facing a physical injury, and lot of people recommended her that it will heal you. And let me tell you, she got the weakest elbows, like this weakest arm. Like she can't do anything which is through arm balance. But slowly, slowly, have you seen her now? Like
Yeah,
how good.
correct.
So it's and she look at her body posture, like it improved a lot since then to now, and she doesn't look like she's in 15s or like 50 or 40s. Like she totally looks like she's in 20s now. Yoga basically does that.
Okay. So, where did you started? Like, when did you started? You're doing like handstand with your head, and
Yeah.
how such thing can be possible for a beginner like me?
See, it's totally possible. Like it's totally possible. It's not impossible. Like I won't say, see, it's very difficult. You have to give this, you have to give that. See, it takes time. I agree, but it's not impossible. Like you just start slowly. It's totally depend upon your body type, your kind of concentration you're giving. So basically, I told you that yoga is all about spirituality. So like start slowly. Start slowly. There is nothing to rush upon. Like when I started, I was starting very slowly. Like let me tell you, for learning a split, I took almost 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months for learning a split, and when I learned it, I was so happy. So that's the kind of happiness it gives yoga. Like every day you are learning, you are becoming something. And let me tell you about headstand. You will fall thousands and hundred times, but
Correct.
at that time, and then you feel like not happening. That's the time you get it. That's the time you need it most. And the posture which you face challenge, that's the posture you need the most. So do it. Do try those postures.
So, uh, I did research on yoga. Yoga comes from very ancient times, and you are
Yeah.
practicing from last so many years.
Yeah.
So you might have noticed some changes from the ancient times to the modern times. Like, what kind of changes had happened in the yoga?
Yeah, there are like many changes happened, like in a negative way also and in a positive way too. Like in ancient times, the people were like wholeheartedly, like they used to give their time wholeheartedly. But nowadays, people don't have the like time, and they are basically struggling with the time. So I basically tell that it doesn't take time. Like just give 1 hour of your day, the whole day, wholeheartedly. Like keep your phone aside, keep your blank, like everything on, keep your mat on, and just do it. Just do it wholeheartedly. Just give that 1 hour to yourself, and you will achieve great posture, great poses, and that's it.
Okay. So, in the end, uh, what message you want to give to the followers and viewers?
So I really wanted to tell this. Please start doing yoga because it boosts your in this and like drink some immunity boosters drink and have some like practice it, like start doing it. How much confidence you start with regular, like it will come long. It takes long. Like I took 1 year to be in this level. So it takes time. It takes time. It slowly it will evolve, but it will. So please start with yoga. Start with meditation. Start with normal stretching. But please do it. You will be amazed after you learn like how it will happen.
Okay. So, guys, start yoga. You can approach to the page of
Yeah,
Miss
yeah,
Amulya
please.
Sharma.
And do you know what? Whenever people comes to me and they ask, "Can you take my online classes?" Like I was like, "Okay, sure," and they ask me for fees. I was like, "No, I don't take like it's for free. You can learn. Like it's a community. We should build a community where people are healthy. We should make them healthy, as a community we are building together. So I don't think so charges matter at that time. Even I'm learning and I'm teaching them. So it's totally equal. It's work in progress. So if I will learn more than them, so they should take it that way. So I never.
You have broad vision with respect to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Amulya. It's very nice to have you on this KBB Talks, and stay connected.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.